I am Professor Hemant Sharma, Department of Mechanical Engineering in the renowned institute, Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research, Indore. I am demonstrating the subject Engineering Graphics, Pentagonal Prism, and Development of Solids, whose base side 30 mm and axis 60 mm is given, and it is centrally cut on the axis with some inclined plane at some angle. As you can see that is these all diagrams I have drawn with Wacom electronic pen writer, which is provided to me by the college. These all lectures I have taken online on ACC Soft 2.0 ERP software. As you can see that the development of solid pentagonal prism is done by me. Some more examples I have demonstrated, like pentagonal pyramid whose base side and axis are given, and it is also cut by an inclined plane with some angle with HP on its axis. Its development is also drawn by me at right hand side as shown in the figure. Apart from these two examples as shown here, I have also demonstrated other examples in my next slide, that is hexagonal pyramid, which is cut by some inclined plane. Other examples are lines parallel to HP, lines parallel to VP, as well as line parallel to both HP and VP as shown in the figures. Thank you.